Hello everyone, Kilogin here. Today I will show you, because someone put me in the comments, if he can play the Demon Slayer game Kimetsu no Yaiba. I will show you the comments right here, and right now we are downloading the Demon Slayer. We put in the RYUJINX and then we are playing this game. First of all, we will check on this site emulation game tech wiki index OK RYUJINX game compatibility list, and as you see right here, Demon Slayer says it's playable, okay, August 8, 2024, okay, and if they said it's green playable, we can play without any problems. I download the game. I can show you the link because the YouTube doesn't let me to show you the link, but I download the game. I put the game in my... The game was something like where it's on desktop, Demon Slayer. It's like that. Okay, it's the NCP folder, NCP file, okay, has 9.3 gigabytes. This is the version, and I extract it in my and I have right here game Nintendo Switch, and as you see, I extract the zip file here. Right now I will start my RYUJINX. Double click on this. Here showing my computer, what I have my configuration, and I will show you how to find your folder again. If you have folders, I don't know, in DE or something like that, go to this user interface, go to the folder where you have the games, double click on the folder, then select folder, and we will show something like that. Then apply and OK, and will appear the game right here. As you see in the right side, we have the NCP file, OK, the 8.7 gigabytes, and if we right click on this and run application, we will run this game. Let's waiting a little bit to loading. You know, first time when you start the game, it's loading a little bit slower, but this it's not a problem for us. It's important the game to work. Okay, as you know, I use this old Nintendo controller. Okay, I will don't make it full screen. Toggle full screen. Let's let this like that. Okay, I go EEE, and as you see in the right side here, we have the version 1.0. okay, let's start the game. We just make a little test on these games to see it is working. Okay, I'll press A, maybe we'll start faster. Let's go B, skip. Skip again. Okay, be close. What do they say? I. 4 times. Okay. While holding. Let's take this. Okay. LA quick step. R guard. The games I see it's working in 30 FPS. It's fine. Okay. Oh, these are the combinations. And as you see guys, it's working very well. You can play this game. And for the next videos, as you know, put the comments in the video. And if you have problems or something like that, don't forget to write the comments. And I will try to fix it and make a video to show you if it's working or not. Thank you for watching me guys. Enjoy the games and don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like my videos. Have a nice day guys. Bye bye.